Hello everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a legend in the diecast world, the pop race Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in 1/64 scale, model code PR64-0157. This miniature is packed with details, opening hood and trunk, realistic engine bay, Nismo license plate, and those iconic round taillights that every Skyline fan loves. The real car behind this model is the iconic Nissan Skyline GTR R32, produced between 1989 and 1994. Powered by the legendary 2.6-liter RB26 DETT twin-turbo inline-six, it delivered 280 horsepower, sprinting from 0 to 100 in about 5.6 seconds and reaching a top speed close to 250 km/h. This R32 became famous for introducing the Atessa ETS all-wheel drive and super high-cast four-wheel steering systems, making it a true technological monster of its time. No wonder it earned the nickname Godzilla on racetracks around the world. And here in 1/64 scale, Top Race did a fantastic job capturing the essence, from the engine details visible under the hood to the aggressive stance on those dark racing wheels. It's a must-have piece for every JDM diecast enthusiast. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxings, 360-degree views, and diorama setups every week here on the Growing Cars Show.